Hello. Good evening, Ghana. Mini anomone Obibio Oti. Me who news to be a course around the Ghana about me. Say you're sentencing me 4 months in prison because they be I don't know. Say you see my forgery fake documents be, and believe me need idea about all this thing that's happening. Okay, I can say all these things are happening because of passport now. So it has nothing to do with me because me to me penny no and I say be one go catch anything me per passport. Me I say na me born me come baby. Send an American. It all started my passport because I was here who stay Kronum like also you have to be here for like 5 years before say me to my grant or passport but I'm a footballer and maybe I'm a model bounty. They decided to like okay give me the passport in just 2 years. She knew I made to my okay, but problem in now is say according to the election time to the year politics. Yeah, this thing has nothing to do with me. Until more and more spreading false rumor or Ghana say me my it's not true. Munjai because the Amoya and fine. So more trust story now. You should get your facts right because the Amoya no okay, they will feel very bad because me will feel my coach but me will feel maintain now all of a sudden. Yes, into my prisoner and yet fair. So please, Munjai, if you want to make a story, please check your facts right. And yet, me say Munjai me doing born because it's not good. Because me as I'm on me no be any at me born me move go be a me pay. Into all of a sudden now be say but and yet don't tarnish my image, please. If you get a story, me ensure say what be post the story no. Send ya say me buy me who say go for be the same way now. What be post the story no. Me ensure say what in the you cry you can get to me first then I explain things to you rather than you just posting it to like create a thing. Internet sermon and yampa. You can see you will feel me BBNC a pressure and so intimate sermon. Say I hope be a fake news. Nothing is happening here. There's no way I'm going to jail. There's no way I'm doing community anything. Like I'm free, I'm moving, I'm doing what I'm supposed to do. Thank you.